So it's moving day. We packed up the truck this morning. We are moving in right now. It is a 95-degree North Carolina summer day, and I am drenched in sweat, but this is very exciting. Woohoo! I'm about to do a quick little tour. There's a few things inside. Our pets had to be here. Long story, but we're here. So you walk in the front door. You have a porch. We have, it's very loud here. We have everyone moving in. We have the front coat closet. And as you walk in, there's a living room space with a fireplace, front window. And then there is a patio area with a huge fenced-in yard, fire pit. And then here's a dining, or living room, kitchen, eat-in area. Here's our kitchen. Again, messy. We're just unloaded our cars. A big garage. Woohoo! Here's the dining room area. There's a half bath. And there's a pantry on this side. And then dining room, and then we make it back to the front door. Hey baby. I know, we're sweating our butts off, but up the stairs, you have to the right and we have to the left. To the right, there's a door, and it's kind of like a rumpus room. It's gonna be the man cave. So we've got a man cave right here, a little room. Not sure what we're gonna do with that, maybe an office, storage for decor. Then we have even more rooms over here. Here is the master. The master bath. I'll show everything in more detail once we're not all moving in. Here is the master closet. And here is, oh, not sure why that's on. Here's one of the spare bathrooms. Okay. Oh, so we have a linen closet here, and these are the rooms we have to be careful in because our pets are in here. Got one spare bedroom right here with my guy. Hey baby. And then this is where the washer and dryer go. And then we have Miss Piper in here. And this is where the other bedroom is. View of the front yard and the other closet. So that is the empty house tour. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching my empty house tour. I can't wait to show you all the videos to come where I do some crafts, I repurpose furniture, stain, paint, decorate. I am so excited, so stay tuned. Again, I'm a sweaty mess, but I'm having so much fun unpacking, and I guess I should go help now, so bye. And thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. It really does help my channel grow. Thanks so much guys, bye. Finally unpacked the moving truck. Just surveying the backyard. Such a big backyard. Definitely a little patchy on the grass, but that's okay. It's beautiful outside. My boyfriend's plans. The house is a mess, but I could not be happier to have all of his stuff in here. And my stuff will be following in just a couple weeks. There he is. Oh, mushy, mushy, mushy. But, hey, Piper. Say hi. Nope. And there's Handsome. Hiding out. It's crazy in here. Okay guys, so I just did not have it in me to record the whole unboxing process. However, we were pretty much done unboxing and moving Ryan in at this point, and I had been bringing over carloads of my own stuff, decor and just things like that, house stuff, kitchen stuff. And so this was the progress as of July 4th. We had the mirror hung. We really just kind of had the layout idea for this room. This was before we had our couch delivered, and all the rugs were not in yet. The kitchen was pretty much settled at this point. We had brought my kitchen stuff over that weekend, so that was very exciting to have that settled before I moved in, because I was moving in the following weekend. We did have this bathroom pretty much done and decorated, so that was exciting. And then as we go up the stairs, we have the man cave to the right. And up here, we've actually made a lot of progress at this point. We had a couple things on the wall. We had the drapes hung. This is before we did a major rearrangement of the room and before we got some more furniture. So there's been major changes in that room. That will be to come. And then on the other side, we have the guest bedroom, which is where we were staying for the time being before my bedroom set came in, which is what went into the master bedroom. So this is his stuff in the spare bedroom, and then right here is a pretty much empty room that is going to be the girl cave, I suppose is what you would call it. So that is where my stuff is going to go, my glam room, essentials, vanity. And then there's my bathroom, and then we have the master, which is just a big open slate right now. We moved my stuff in the following weekend, so it's made a lot of progress. This is the closet without my stuff in it, and then we have the master bathroom, which I actually do his and hers bathrooms. He's going to use the master, and I'm going to use the one near the glam room, since they are just so close to one another, and that way we have our own space. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the progress of where our house is, and yeah, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and it will really help my channel grow. Thanks to any returning subscribers, and talk to you guys soon. Thanks, bye-bye.